In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications for Skool. If you're part of a few different Skool communities, your inbox can fill up really quickly. Maybe you prefer to check updates directly in Skool, or you just want fewer interruptions during the day. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through how to completely stop those email notifications step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Skool dashboard. This is the main page you land on after logging in, where you can see your communities, classroom content, and recent activity. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to adjust, because these settings will apply to that specific user. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your profile picture or your initials. Click on that profile icon. This is where Skool hides all your personal options, like your account details and preferences. After clicking your profile, a small menu will appear. From this menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main settings page, where you can manage everything from your profile information to your notifications and other preferences. On the settings page, you'll see several tabs or sections. Find and click on the one that says Notifications. This is the place where Skool lets you control how and when you get notified about activity in your communities, including email alerts. Inside the notifications section, look for a drop-down related to your communities. If you're a member of multiple communities, you'll see them listed there. Click on the community drop-down and select the specific community whose email notifications you want to control. It's important to pick the right one, because notification settings can be different for each community. Once you've selected the community, scroll until you see the email notification options. By default, these are often set to something like hourly, meaning Skool sends you email updates on a regular schedule. To turn these off completely, click on that frequency option and change it to never. This tells Skool to stop sending you email notifications for that community. After you've selected never, your change is usually saved automatically, but it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the setting has updated. You can repeat the same process for any other communities where you want to stop receiving emails. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications for Skool.